Summer and its beauty brings sometimes discomfort for people with oily skin, or even if you don't have oily skin, sometimes it triggers a lot of oil, excess oil in the skin. So I want to give you some summer oily skin tips today to use during the summer if you experience this excessive oil. Because just as winter says goodbye to us in the year and the warm breeze of the summer start blowing, people get ready to get out and enjoy the sun and the beaches and holidays and all that. But for many of us who are blessed with oily skin, it almost seems like the end of the era of pimple and acne free days. And although oily and combination skin are not bad, if you have oil in the skin, it means it's not dry and it ages much slower. Sometimes in the summer you can experience too much oil and your skin just look over shiny and over greasy, and we don't want that. Now, the causes of oily skin are varying. So again, like you have the advantage of having youthful and younger looking skin for a longer period of time compared to like dry skin or dehydrated skin. But there are several disadvantages for oily skin, such, like I said, excessive shyness and makeup that just moves during the day and melt away, and pimples and acne and stuff like that. So where do we get oily skin from? It can be genetic, that's like from your family, and there's always this chance that if your parents, it's like something that runs in the family. It can be excessive use of skincare products, like overuse of cream, gel, scrub, stuff you see on TikTok. I always say, if you use really true natural ingredients raw, you don't need a lot. Why make your skincare routine so long and complicated with tons of things you might only saw like in some, again, TikTok film of a child? Don't get me started there. And you just put it all on your skin and your skin gets like busy with detoxing chemicals, and it creates excess oil as well. So when you come here or something like that, I can always help you make it more simple and effective for you. That's regarding skincare routine. Another reason for more oil appears on the skin is seasonal change, because when it's hot and humid and the weather conditions are like sauna, it can increase the level of oil production. And also dry and cold weather condition also can trigger excess oil. It's like that the skin wants to protect itself. So sometimes, even though most of the time we experience it in the summer, but for some people also over dryness can trigger oil. Another reason can be hormonal changes during puberty, teenager time, during pregnancy, and premenopause can promote the glands to produce excess oils. In women or in teenagers, it's both genders. And some medications, excessive oily skin can also be side effect of using certain medications like hormone birth control pills and hormone replacement medications. But I'm not a doctor, so I will never tell you to stop taking your pills. Don't. And the last reason, which can be a cause for almost everything in our life, is stress. There are endless negative effects of stress on both physical, mental, and emotional, and we know that. I speak about it all the time. And of course, it affects the skin, because the skin communicates what's going on inside. And it can respond to chronic stress by production of androgen hormones that promotes more oil production, and overall stress and the skin, they don't look good together. So I have few basic points to keep in mind when you want to care for oily skin. So try to use not too hot water for cleaning your skin, and also not too cold water, like something in the middle, because it's more effective. It helps washing away the dirt and you know, makeup or whatever you have on your skin, and unclog the skin pores. So low water, okay. Cleansing your face twice a day is enough to keep it clean. Don't overdo it. I mean, unless you go to the beach, okay, yeah, then clean it again. Don't scrub too much, over exfoliating the skin, but that's for also for dry skin. Over exfoliating the skin, exfoliating is good. It removes dead skin cells, yes, but when you over exfoliate it, it's dry and trigger the skin to show either like sensitive skin or just not balanced, and more oils are showing up on the skin. And when you choose a scrub, always use or make yourself something gentle that will not scratch, like will not be too rough on your skin. Another something that I can recommend is using natural face mask that helps soak in excess oil from the skin and remove bacteria from the skin. So like clay mask, green clay is really good for acne, for balancing excessive oil skin. So green clay mask you can find at Pure if you want, and it's really effective. It can work like directly if you have a spot, you can put it on, or just all over the skin once a week. It balances. It's very good. What else? Yeah, try if you can, when the summer starts and you experience too much oil, to go a bit lower on your makeup, just because, you know, you don't want it to move and smudge too much, and you don't want to overload your skin. Control the temptation of touching your face. That's all the time because the hands are, yeah, I assume, you know, if they're not clean and you're not like using a tissue, and it's try to avoid touching your face if you don't want excessive oil and acne and pimples. And also, like, sometimes we put things on the hair and then we touch the face and there's oils on the hair. So it's overall, try to stay away from your face with your hands and your cell phone, because the cell phone is super dirty. I don't know many people who really clean their cell phone. Toner is really good without alcohol, please, to take off excessive oil. A gentle flower toner will really help you here to balance and remove excess oil. If your skin is getting too oily between the washing, you can just use like a cotton pad or a tissue and gently soak out the excessive oil. And something it's like connected to what we eat. Watch what you eat. This super fried, deep fried food might appear tempting, but they add oil, and not good oils usually, that is just like gonna make your skin irritated and not happy overall. On the other hand, consuming vitamin A, which you can find in sweet potatoes, carrot, leafing greens like kale, spinach, lettuce, and also consuming fruits like mango, apricot, melons. They are rich with vitamin A, and it really helps balancing the skin. Water, the cliche is working for everything. enough water to the body makes the skin more balanced. Whether you have dry skin, whether you have oily skin, whatever, water. So I hope you're gonna experience a beautiful summer without too much greasy skin. And of course, don't forget to maintain your professional natural facial routine, especially in the summer. Maybe you want to move it from 8 weeks to 4 to 6 weeks to have a really deep, good cleaning and balancing your skin. You're welcome to come, and I always share my best knowledge and tips and advice during treatment to help you get the best of your skin.